everyone! This is a crossover LAN cable and I will show you how to make this. But first, let me show you what we will need. A Cat5e Ethernet cable as recommended. Our crimping tool, our RJ45, and of course, the cable tester. And now, here's the first step. Cut the plastic sheet about 1 inch or 2.5 cm from the end of the cut cable. Ta-da! And now, we're done with our first step. And this is the cut plastic shield or strip cable. Unwind and pair the similar colors. Pinch the wires between your fingers and straighten them out. The color order is important. This is the color order for crossover. Use crimping tool to make a straight cut across the 8 wires. To shorten them to 1/2 inch or 1.3 cm from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires. Crimping the cable. Carefully place the connector into the Ethernet crimper and cinch down on the handles tightly. The copper splicing tabs on the connector will pierce into the 8 wires. There is also locking tab that holds plastic sleeve in place for a tightly compression fit. When you remove the cable from the crimper, the end is ready to use. For a crossover cable, the other end will have different color order as shown by the crossover picture above. And this is our crossover LAN cable. And we're going to test it using our cable tester and check it if this is really works. And that is the whole procedure on how to make this crossover LAN cable. Thank you for watching. Bye!